All right, let's do a walk around. We got a 2016 Ford F-250 Super Duty 4-door. This one's 2-wheel drive. This is, of course, is going to have the 6.2 V8. It's a clean truck. It's got black rims, windows tinted. It's a very, very good truck. Drives out really well, clean inside and out. Let's take a look at it. It is on and running as we are shooting this video. It's definitely long bed. It's got the towing package on the back. I don't see any dents, scratches. Real clean truck. Tires on it are in good shape. Interior looks really good. Electric power windows and locks. Air conditioning works real good on this one. This one right here is blowing cold already, and I ain't had it cranked probably 2 minutes. Let's see here. Has 161,285 miles on it. Radio works. This one is 2-wheel drive. I think it drives out well. It's clean on the inside and out. I mean, I really like this truck. It's just a solid work truck. Ain't nothing special for sure. The thing that makes this truck worth its weight is 4 doors. This is a full crew cab long bed for sure. It does not have a gooseneck hookup in the back of it, but this would definitely make a good crew truck for sure. Absolutely it would. Y'all want any more information, any more details, feel free to message me, comment in the video. I do my best to respond to them all. Yeah, 2016 Ford F-250 with 161,000 miles on it. Cold AC, everything works, it's clean. Let me know what you think.